What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. So a lot of time has gone by from my last video until today. Basically, the end of summer came, got cold, COVID, just everything going on. We've had a very bad winter this year. For some reason, it's a bit unusual for this area. I mean, a lot of snow, a lot of below freezing temperatures, but thankfully it's a lot warmer than it has been, and I am ready to get started again on this build. So I finally picked up a set of rims and tires for my car, and I believe tomorrow after work I'm going ahead and get those mounted and balanced so I can put them on and start fitting up. So this is the new rims. I picked up some Aodhan DS02. They're 18 by 10.5 plus 15. Oh boy. They are some thick boys right there. This is a bit wider than my car can actually handle, but I have something in store for that, and we'll get to that when we get there. But for now I need to load these up in the truck. So to go with those new rims, I picked up a set of Falkens 275 35 R18s. I believe these will do. So now all that's left is to load them into the truck, get them ready so after work tomorrow I can get them mounted. Should be fun. I am looking forward to actually setting up this new... Hey kitty. There's a cat back there. Sorry, train of thought, lost. Hi puppies! Whoa! Hi puppies! Oh! Cobain! Nori! Speak! Speak! Hi! Oh! Hi puppies! Speak! So fast forward to the next one. Let's get these loaded. All right, let's take these to work, then we'll get them loaded. All right, it's a beautiful morning. I am excited to get these rims and tires mounted, put them on the car, actually have a fitting setup that I can work with. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, let's do this. Also, how to get a juice. How to get a juice, you know. Well, a quick change of plans. The shop that I was going to take the tires to cannot get me today because they are backed up. So, kind of works out in my favor. I found a tire shop that's literally 30 seconds down the street from my work. It was recommended by the local JDM importer. So, that's where we're headed. And they stretch. Don't you love my ignorant ass rapping? Good morning and welcome to day 3. Yeah, we're on day 3. So yesterday when I got home from work with the wheels, I decided to help my fiance with her quick little project. New head unit 6x9s for the rears, 6.5s for the fronts. We got rid of this old toasty original. And, well, yeah, they've seen better days. They have seen a lot better days. It now sounds really good. Not all scratchy. With Bluetooth connectability to the Alexa. Time to update the old car to a new world. I like it. So, back to where we left off. The Aodhans are now wrapped in the Falken tires. These things are beefy. I like them. I can't wait to put them on this car. All right, enough screwing around. Let's get these wheels on the car. Not bad. They are a lot more aggressive than the stock rims. You want to see something ignorant? This is ignorant as, right here. Ignorant as, my guys. Whew. So I had to put a 7mm spacer to be able to clear these brakes. No spacers in the back yet. Don't worry about that little poke. I have something for that. So, tell me what you think. Drop a comment below. I'm excited to show you what I'm going to do next, so be sure to follow so you can see what I'm going to do to fix this problem. But, until then, deuces, have a good one.